Exercise 11.1, question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So we see here we have been given 4 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 4. So if we do the first one, 4 into 4 into 4. So answer will be 64, 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. The other one is 3 to the power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So answer is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So we see that 81 is greater than 64. So we can write 64 is lesser than 81. Therefore, 4 to the power 3 is lesser than 3 to the power 4. So from this sum, we conclude that more is the power, bigger is the number. Similarly, if we go for the next calculation, so we find that 5 to the power 3, that is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125, and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we find it that it is 3 3s are 9 into 3 3s are 9 into 3. So that will be 81 multiply 3, and that is to be 243. So we find that 243 is greater. So therefore 5 to the power 3 is smaller than 3 to the power 5. Again we found that greater is the power, greater is the number. So now without doing calculation, we can directly write down that here like 2 to the power 8 and 8 to the power 2 if we need to compare. So we can say that 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2. Similarly, we have 100 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 100. So we see that the power of 2 here is greater. So 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 to the power 2. Similarly, if we compare the other number, that is 2 to the power 10 and 10 to the power 2. So greater is the power of 2 to the power 10. So definitely this is going to be greater. So without calculation also we can directly say that which exponent form is greater than the other one. So as we found here 2 to the power 10 is greater than 10 to the power 2.